Hi beauties! Today I'm here to talk to you about our new Lash Mixologist 3-in-1 mascara. This is a cocktail-inspired layering mascara, so it's dual-ended. One end is ideal for length, one is ideal for volume, or you can layer them for a full lash look. What I love about this mascara is that in addition to being 3 products in one, super easy to take with you on the go, it's also great for your lashes. It has Provitamin B5, which is strengthening for lashes, vitamin E, which is nourishing, conditioning seaweed, and film formers, which are long wearing. I'm going to start with the lengthening side, and I'll show you the brush before I begin. So this is, as you can see, a longer brush with a tapered end. It's ideal for building length, and then the tapered end really helps you to define your lashes before you start to build out the volume with the other side. Okay, so I've added one side with the lengthening formula, and this is just one quick coat, but I want you to see the difference with one coat of the lengthening formula versus no mascara on the other side. And what I'll do next is add the volumizing formula. So first I'll show you the brush, which is an hourglass shape, which is ideal for building out volume while continuing to separate lashes and give definition. Okay, so I've just finished putting on the volumizing formula on top of the lengthening end. And as you can see, this creates a full lash effect. And when you compare my lengthening and volumizing side versus no mascara, I think you can see a big difference. And I think both sides layered together really help you achieve that full lash effect. So now I'll start on the other side with the volumizing formula and complete the look. Okay, so I finished the complete look on both eyes. I started with the lengthening formula and then added the volumizing formula on top of that for a full lash look. And this has been the Lash Mixologist 3-in-1 mascara from Physicians Formula. Thanks for watching. Bye.